What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I get into the content of this video, I would like for you guys to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more content. For my very first video, I figured I would do a little tip and advice video for anyone out there who would like to become a YouTuber. I'm Matt for Tipper Tips, and let's get into the video. In this video, I will be going over 5 tips to become a YouTuber in 2019. YouTube is an awesome place for anyone who would like to become an influencer. It is a place where you can express yourself in whatever way you'd want. You can play games, do makeup, become an artist, and it's an awesome way to express yourself. Before I get into the advice, I would like for anyone out there to know that being a YouTuber isn't the easiest thing. I mean, anyone can create a YouTube account, but it takes a hard worker to create content and post it for internet viewers to watch. My first tip is know what community you want to be involved with in YouTube. YouTube is a big community, but knowing what you want to post really makes being a YouTuber a lot more simple. This is where a lot of people kind of go downhill because they tend to flip-flop between community and community. You really need to ground your feet and know what content you want to be posting. Just remember that YouTube is a way to express yourself so you're able to do what you love. My second tip is the waiting game. Rome wasn't built overnight, and neither is success. Granted, you might see 1 or 2 influencers out there become overnight famous, if you want to call it, but if you want to be, then you have to wait. By constantly posting and getting your own schedule, then the subscribers will come, the views will come. It might take a year, it might take 2 years, but waiting is probably one of the most hardest thing to do on YouTube because it takes such a long time to gain 15 subscribers. Just imagine wanting to gain 50,000. So patience is key, and consistency is also important. My third tip is what I like to call social branching. This is where you want to kind of spread out in social media and not just stick to YouTube. Create a Twitter or an Instagram to link with your channel to engage more with your community. By doing this, not only are you getting viewers from YouTube, but you're also becoming connected with other social platforms. With Twitter, you can update that you posted a new video, you can get to know more about your community, or your community can get to know more about you. Same thing with Instagram. So having that interaction or social branching isn't really important, but it also helps to show more of what you can do with YouTube. It also helps gaining a bigger audience. Because views are important, having more people to know about your channel or your latest video, having Instagram and Twitter as somewhat of a crutch, then that will also help gain the subscribers and the viewers you want. My next tip is probably one of the most important tips, and that is social interaction and engagement. This is where you want to be engaged with your community, with your subscribers, with the people who comment on your videos. It is important. You don't have to, but it just creates a relationship with you and the people who watch your content. Just by simply replying to a comment saying thank you or answering any questions in the comments is probably the best way to engage with your community. By doing this, you're making your viewers come back for more when you do post a new video, because if you think about it, if one of your favorite YouTubers did reply to a comment or heart it, it would just make you want to go and comment on rest of their videos hoping to get the same thing. So just by engaging with a community, it will also grow and keep your subscribers close to you. And my last tip is just to have fun and not to take anything serious. It is social media, and one thing you shouldn't do is take YouTube too serious. Taking it too serious will make you not think or have the proper mindset that you're supposed to when you are gaining new subscribers or when you're a small influencer. Just go along, go with the flow, have fun, and create the content you want to post. So there's my 5 tips on how to become a YouTuber in 2019. They're pretty simple, easy to follow, and hopefully you'll gain the success you want. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope this advice was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.